Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds INFINIX Buds Neo with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press on it or click Enter. Now, right here at the right top, we see this button, Add Device, and you need to click on it. If you have Windows 10, you will see this button at the top. Now, click on it and select Bluetooth. After that, you need to open charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. And after you remove it, your earbuds enter the pairing mode automatically. But if your earbuds connected with another device, you need to disconnect it from that device and then it will enter to pairing mode also. And now we can see these earbuds at the device list. Click on it and then click Done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!